What's up, guys and gals, good people of YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. Okay, guys, right now we're in the investing portfolio. We're sitting at $60,525.24. For the past 3 months, the portfolio has made significant gains. I told you guys, anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. This portfolio has produced over 9.52 in the last 3 months. I'm up $5,260.44 right now in the last 3 months. Buying power is sitting at $359.69. Before we go any further, a lot of you guys want to see the year to date. So I'm going to show you the year to date. Boom. Just like that. Year to date, I'm up $10,657.92 or a whopping 21.37% blended over my portfolio. Year to date, guys. So this means from January 2024 until December right now, 2024, my portfolio has made me over $10,000 passively without lifting a finger. I'm up 21, almost 22%. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. As we come on down, cash earning interest is the $1,073.55. I spent some of that good money today in the buying power. Crypto earnings, I got 101 USDC coin. It just kind of sits there, gives me some exposure to crypto. I got a smidge of the AVAC, and I did own some Ethereum, but I sold it at a profit. Thinking about getting some more crypto, though. That's something that is on my bucket list. All right now, guys, I want to show you the amazing goal that I have reached and achieved today. Drum roll, please. SPLG. You already know SPLG is my foundational ETF. It's the SPDR portfolio S&P 500 sitting at $71.18 today. The market has been crazy down today, guys. But the reason is don't get fearful, don't fret. It's because President-elect Donald Trump has elected to have more tariffs put on goods and services from other countries like China, Russia, European countries, nations, stuff like that. So that's why he's proposing these tariffs instead of taxes. Whether they be passed or not, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know. I don't believe in crystal balls, so I don't know what he's planning on doing. I can't tell you the future, but I can say that's what he's announced. That's what he plans to put into work. And that's why the stock market, especially in the tech sector, has had a big sell-off here lately. But as you always know, my old saying goes, you build wealth in the red, you collect wealth in the green. If everybody want to get scared and sell off, fine. Let them do that. Warren Buffett had an old saying. He always said, be greedy when everybody else is scared and be scared when everybody else is greedy. So right now, everybody else got scared. So for me, I bought more. I didn't get greedy, but I'm just saying I went on and bought some more. And booyah, just like that, guys, I've reached my 200 share size goal for SPLG. Booyah. That's what I had to show you guys. Right now, my share size for my SPLG, I always told you I wanted to get up to 200 shares of this foundational ETF, and I was going to have it by the end of the year. Well, I actually have it before the end of the year, so there we go. I got 200.70 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,286.23. I got over $14,000, guys, invested in this one ETF, which is SPLG, my foundational ETF. Average cost $63.35. Total return is $1,571.57. Guys, that's a 12.36% increase on the dollar. And once the market gets back regulated, gets back straightened out, guess what? That 12%, almost 13%, will be over 13, 14% return. Because I'm telling you, year to date, look at this. SPLG year to date, the S&P has brought back 28.18% increase. Guys, if you remember, at the beginning of the year, big banks and experts and analysts said that the S&P 500 by the end of the year will probably be about 5,500 points. Guys, we have crossed over 6,000 points by the end of the year. And we are not even at the end just yet. We still have a few more weeks to go. But we have already crossed over 6,000 points 2 or 3 times in the year. So, yeah, get ready for that. Next up, I want to share with you is Walmart. Walmart is sitting at $94.10. Earlier today, Walmart was actually at that $95 mark, which was looking really, really good in the portfolio. But 94.10, cool. We had a pullback. That's okay. I got 108 shares of Walmart. Market value is $10,165.52. Average cost of $56.98. Total return of $4,009.97, or 65.14% increase. Guys, we're still sitting in a surplus, even though the portfolio in this stock today lost $92, almost $100. Who do you know can lose $100 and be A-okay? Well, some of y'all out there can, but for me, I track every dollar. But we are still up over 4,000. That shows you that the power of being patient, the power of the investment, and having a good base helps out in times of the market downturn like this. Walmart is down right now, and so is a lot of more stocks in the S&P 500. So it's time to buy more and more. That's what I'm planning on doing even into the night. Next up, we got Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, another great value company, sitting at $63.83. Coca-Cola is actually up on today. Dividend get ready to be paid out December 16th, $15.75 for Coca-Cola dividend. I got 32.46 shares of Coca-Cola. Market value $2,072.42. Average cost is $60.70. I actually made money in Coca-Cola today, $38.64, and total return overall $101.48, or a 5.15% return on investment. Coca-Cola kind of been hanging around this same stock price number. It goes up some, it comes back down some, it goes back up some. 5% increase on the year. Not really impressed with Coca-Cola right now, but they've had some struggles this year. I think they got sued earlier this year, and some other things happened with the company. So I'm not really impressed, but it's cool because it brings in a cool little dividend. Next up, I want to talk about SCHD. SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It's sitting at $28.25 right now. Right now, look at that. Upcoming dividend payout, December 16th, $62.33. Booyah. Guys, this dividend last time, it always increases as the 3 months continue to roll by every quarter. It always increases, not only because I'm reinvested to get more shares, but because the dividend size increases and the value of it increases as well. Right now, I got 235 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,657.16. Average cost is $26.28. And right now, it says we are doggone even, dead even. Today's return, $0 and 0%. I've never seen that before, but that's what it is right now. Total return is $463.17, or a whopping 7.48%. I know this is not over 8% right now, but originally it was. So, like I said, even though the market is down right now, SCHD is actually breaking even because it's a great defensive to a downward market. SCHD, I use this as the big defensive player against a downward market. When other stocks go down, like the tech stocks take a hit, SCHD composed of so many different value companies that it upholds the portfolio and it upholds anything that I got going on in the S&P 500. Okay, that was SCHD. Another good one right about now is the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, DGRO. DGRO, I haven't talked about this lately, sitting at $63.22. Market value, I got 73.95 shares of DGRO. Market value is $4,675.56. Average cost is $56.75. It's down today $10, but total return overall is $478.29, or a whopping 11.40% increase, guys. 11.40%. That's almost a 12% increase. This particular ETF is growing as good as the S&P 500. So as long as we got movement within the market, DGRO is going to continue to do what it does. It's going to continue to climb. This ETF, is also one of the ones that's going to help reach us to freedom. It's also a good growth. It's also a good dividend putter out type ETF, and it also helps balance the portfolio as far as growth and dividend against the falling market. So it helps, just like SCHD, DGRO helps uplift the portfolio when other things are going sour. Apple right now trading at $246. I got 22 shares of Apple. Amazon right now trading at $227.71. I got 3.51 shares of that. Microsoft right now is getting ready to pay out a dividend as well. It's trading at $448.75. I got 3.70 shares of Microsoft. Here we got the traditional IRA sitting at $43,322.49. Past 3 months, we're up $3,349.50, or a whopping 8.38% on the dollar, y'all. The last 3 months has been going crazy in the portfolio. Let's look at that year to date. Year to date, $5,216.35, or a whopping 13.68% increase. Yo! Y'all, I'm telling you, you talking about getting to financial freedom. We're talking about becoming independently financially rich. We're talking about wealth, guys, pure wealth. We're talking about portfolios, being able to take care of our lifestyles. This is how you do it. Buying power, $16,462.80. I got my same old investments in there. Got my 150 shares of NVIDIA. SPLG, another 60.70 shares of that. FTEC, I got 9 shares right there. And guys, this portfolio is going to continue to grow because I'm going to continue to invest and continue to get those dividends rolling and making it do what it do. Right now, the portfolio total sitting at $103,887.89. Some of y'all are like, KJ, well, it used to be higher than that. What's going on? Well, it's because, like I said, it's actually a downward market right now. But see, I'm going to show you what I mean. Live. There you go. Down $16 right there overall after the past hour. And just like that, we're back in the green. So I'm telling you, you guys, we can be down, but then we can turn right back up and be up. So don't fret. Don't get discouraged. When things are in the red, this is your opportunity to buy more good stocks and ETFs, because guess what? When it comes back to that green, it's time to grow and it's time to blow. And so that's what I'm talking about, man. This has been another great episode of KJ the Investor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Peace.